Connected Cleanrooms are here at Interplas 2026. We're not getting much out of Dave, so we're going to go speak to some other people. Does my bum look good in these trousers? Where should we go? Where should we go? Where should we go? I am here with Enrica from Dakuma, all the way from China. And Enrica, what is a clean room and why would it be used in the plastics industry?
So I guess it would be a clean, sterile space used to manufacture any product that needs to not be contaminated by any outside particle or dirt of any kind. Yeah. And might be used in the plastic industry for producing anything used in hospitals, maybe any syringes or anything used for surgery, something like that.
Nice, not bad for someone who doesn't have any experience in the clean rooms. And first word that comes to mind when you think of clean rooms, and you can't say clean.
Room? No, I'm just kidding. Sterile.
Yeah. Sterile. Thank you, Enrica. Okay, I'm here with Greg from Impact Solutions. What is a clean room and why do you think it might be beneficial in the plastics industry?
My understanding is a clean room is to create a clean environment without any particles in the air which could affect product performance or medical devices or medicines in general. So zero contaminants gives you a very nice clean space to work to ensure that.
Perfect. And why do you think that might be beneficial in the plastics industry?
Well, it's to ensure that your plastics are clean for the intended purpose, keeping them pristine without any contamination that could lead to any product issues.
Perfect. Thank you. Okay, I'm here with Richard from STV Machinery, who are also known as Yazumi. Richard, I've got a couple of questions for you, please, if you don't mind answering. First one, what is a clean room and how do you think it might be beneficial in the plastics industry?
Clean room is fairly self-explanatory, I would have thought, where it's incredibly clean, and most of the time I see clean rooms as medical facilities, so anybody that's producing anything that goes into the body has to be done in the cleanest environment possible.
Okay, perfect. And in one word, what comes to mind when I say clean room?
Pain in the arse.
Why is that, Richard?
Because I spend a lot of time getting in and out of them to look at machinery, used or new, and putting all the garments on takes more time than actually looking at the machinery.
Perfect, that'll do. Okay, I'm here with Ray from Direct Engineering and Site Services. Ray, two questions. What is a clean room and why would it be used in the plastics industry?
Well, my impression of a clean room is a sterile environment for medical production of plastic components. You need that for it to be used in plastics industry. I'd have thought really for sterile environment for the products what are coming off of the injection moulding systems.
Perfect, good answer.
Yeah.
And last one.
Yep.
First word that comes to mind when I say clean room, but you can't use the word clean.
Sterile.
Perfect. Good, now people are watching. People are watching. Okay, that's us all finished up at Interplas for this year. Lots of exciting exhibitors, customers. Been an insightful few days for us all here at Connected Cleanrooms. Will we be back? 2029 is the next one. We'll have to wait and find out. That's a wrap.